Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a 1099 NEC tax return. First, we'll cover who receives this form and what income it reports. Then, we'll look at common deductions you can claim to reduce your taxable income. Finally, I'll guide you through the steps to accurately report this income to the IRS. This will help you understand your obligations and ensure a smooth filing process. Form 1099 NEC is an IRS document used to report non-employee compensation, essentially payments made to independent contractors or freelancers. Businesses issue this form when they pay an individual $600 or more for services. It's important to note that this form replaced Box 7 of the older Form 1099 MISC for reporting non-employee compensation, making it a dedicated form for these types of earnings. When you receive a Form 1099 NEC, you'll report the income on Schedule C, profit or loss from business. This is where you'll list your business income and subtract eligible expenses. If your net self-employment income is $400 or more, you'll also use Schedule SE to calculate your self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare. Remember to keep good records of all your business deductions to reduce your taxable income. After completing Schedule C and Schedule SE, you'll transfer these amounts to your main tax return, Form 1040. As a self-employed individual, you're generally required to pay estimated taxes quarterly if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes. This helps avoid penalties. Always maintain thorough records of your income and expenses, and don't hesitate to seek professional tax advice for complex situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.